What is up, guys? Billy Breeze coming at you with another video. If this is your first time, consider hitting that subscribe button down below, and please follow me on Instagram. I post other content there too. In this video, we're gonna draw Squid Game using the best Copic alternative, and still, in my opinion, I mean, these alcohol markers are good. If you haven't copped these yet, what are you doing? Honestly, there's a few good alternatives on the market, but these are my favorite. But Ohuhu is my favorite and my go-to with all of my illustrations. So in this video, I'm gonna do a Squid Game speed drawing and put my spin on it. I think I'm like 6 episodes in. Yeah, like 6 episodes. And I mean, it's good. Like, it's definitely interesting. Okay, I like the first episode. That whole red light, green light thing was pretty interesting. Red. Yo, but have you seen Squid Game? Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. But yo, make sure you like the video if you like it. Dislike it if you don't like it. But just make sure you do something. But yes, Ohuhu is, in my opinion, the best Copic alternative. 3 quick reasons why. The amount of ink and the pigmentation is awesome. The nib is durable. I've had these for over a year and the tips don't fray, they don't bend. And the third one, the amount of markers that you get for the price is absurd, and it's great for any beginner and anybody who's actually well versed in alcohol markers too. Ohuhu, sponsor me, Ohuhu. I'll get Ohuhu tattooed on my temple. Maybe like a little small teardrop that says Ohuhu. Boo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, if you got any questions, drop them down below. Other than that, let's do it.
I've been at it on the low, trapping out a while live. I can see the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Niggas plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rip. Hey. Blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Wait, okay. I give a fuck what you telling me. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I'm really trying to see Tel Aviv. Fuck your elevation, I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated, I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. Young niggas from where that crevice be. I've been solid since the less of me. Out here with the C, really in the field. Niggas on cam now, I got plans now. Finna branch out, grew up quick, but never let go of this here. All of that bullshit is in my rear. Hey, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me.